Hey guys, welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this video, we're talking about how to master Arc browser keyboard shortcuts. So we can just map your basic navigation first. So the single most important command in Arc is opening your command bar launcher. So on Mac, it's going to be a keyboard shortcut Command plus T. Also, if you're on Windows, it's Control T. So if I press on this, this window will appear now on the screen. There you go. So this is your primary hub, so you can search, run extensions, or launch new URLs here instantly. Also, we can look at the handling layout clutter. So to hide or show your sidebar instantly, you can just hit the Command S on Mac or Control S on Windows, like this. And as you can see, it's now hiding itself with that little cool, smooth animation. Also, guys, to switch your entire workspace focus between different spaces, the keys change by platform. On macOS, it's Control 1 or 2, and on Windows, it's Alt plus 1 or 2. There you go. As you can see, I'm pressing and it's changing. I don't know why is that sound playing back. Then, guys, if you want to redesign these shortcuts to match your custom gaming profiles or macro keys, you need to check your system build constraints. So if you're on Mac, you can press Command plus comma to enter your advanced settings panel. Then you go to the shortcuts tab and you can freely remap any browser behavior to a custom keystroke combination. Also, guys, if you want, you can use this page right here with the full, as you can see, keyboard shortcuts. As you can see, everyday use, section, quick navigation, and others like zoom, reloading, and all that stuff. So if you want to search for this, you can just search Arc browser keyboard shortcuts and go to this very first page. That's it, guys. Enjoy and like and subscribe.